guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explore video. We're also doing our Making on Monday project, and today's project is super easy. We were making a home decor item. You can see here we have the saying Home Sweet Home inside a frame. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. When you see your name at the very top, that verifies that you were logged in. On this page, you want to scroll down until you get to Cricut Access, then click on View All. In the upper right-hand corner where it says Cricut Access, we're going to click on that, and then go all the way down to the bottom and click on Vinyl. In the search box, type in the word Home, and then click on Enter. Now just find the one we want to make. It is right there. It's called Tiny Wooden Houses. Click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. Now it does bring up two designs. All I want are the lettering, so I'm going to remove this piece and move this out of the way. Now I am putting this on an 8x10 frame, so I'm going to first create a template for sizing. Left-hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Shapes, click on the square. Having the square selected, the top toolbar where the size is, I'm going to unlock the lock, make the width be 8 inches, and the height is going to be 10. Same size as my frame. I also want to make this be a white color, so I have this piece selected. The right hand side toolbar, I can see where it is here. I'm going to click on that and make it be white. Left hand side toolbar of Design Space on the very bottom, I'm going to click on the minus sign one time so I can see my picture here. Now just drag this image over. I'm going to right click on that and choose Move to Front. Now I just want to size this to fit inside my frame. I'm leaving the lock locked and just using the handles and dragging that down. Now I do want to print this out versus cutting that out. So I have this piece selected again. On the right hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on the piece here. I want to change the color and make that be black. In the top toolbar, you will see Cut, Write, Score, and Print. We're going to click on Print. So we have that. Upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. You will see a message pop up saying the image is too large to print. It says please reduce size to less than 9 1/4 tall or 6 3/4 wide. So we need to resize this piece. So I'm going to have the piece selected. Again, at the top toolbar where the size is, I'm leaving the lock locked. And I'm changing the width only and making this be 6.725. Going to click on Make It this time. All right, so we can see our piece here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Cancel. I want to remove that template. So now this piece here is ready to print. In my printer, I have a white piece of cardstock. I'm going to click on Make It here. I'm going to click on Continue. I'm going to click on Send to Printer. There's the preview there. I'm going to click on Print and wait for that to find my printer. Now I'm not going to have the Cricut machine cut this out. I'm going to actually use my trimmer to cut it out. I just want to use the Cricut to print the design. All right, now my print box popped up. I'm going to click on Print. I'm going to print this out. When that is done, we'll go to the table and put our frame together. Alright guys, we are back with our print here. Like I said, I just printed this on white cardstock. I'm now going to take my frame apart and share with you guys how I cut it. Now the reason I did not have the Cricut cut it is because of the size. It had it sized to 6 3/4 inches wide, and I want to make it fit inside my frame. So what I'm going to do, and I just have an 8x10 frame here I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm taking the glass out. I'm going to put the glass on top and just have that border and line the glass up all the way around that to make sure it's even, or close to being even, the best you can. Make sure it's straight, all that good stuff. I'm going to hold that down, take a pen, and just draw on the outside of that glass. This will be my cutting line with my trimmer. So super simple project. All we're doing is printing. I wish the Cricut would be upgraded to where I can print a full 8x10 sheet. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that piece out. I'm just lining up that line with the cutting track on my trimmer. Oh, that one I went crooked, I felt it. Okay, and then do the same for this one. And the other side as well. And if you're not perfect, it's okay because it's going inside a frame. So lots of fun ways you can use the Cricut without using the actual Cricut. You just use the software. All right, so we have that. I'm gonna cut this little nub piece off there at the top. I thought this would look nice in my kitchen when that is all done. All right, so we have the frame here. I'm gonna put the glass back in. So you can see it's only gonna take us a few minutes to make this whole project, and you can make these really nicely for hostess gifts, new homeowners, married couples, really anything. Anything you see in Design Space you can print. And the frames are really inexpensive at the Dollar Tree. And they're good quality, I think, too. All right, so let's flip it over and see how we did. There you have it. Isn't that super simple? All right, guys, there you have it, our Make It in a Monday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.